Hey guys, Snagalopus here. Today I'm going to show you something that I think is very useful for if you're starting a Dark Angels army, or if you're starting any Space Marine army except for Grey Knights, because Grey Knights are a bit more specific. So here we have the Dark Angels Gauntlet Tactical Squad, and this is useful because it retails for $65. Well, this is Canadian, so I think it'd be about $50 in US, uh, and about like I don't know how many British pounds. British pounds are roughly half of Canadian, so you can do the math if you want. So it comes with a tactical squad, of course. Then we've also got the Rhino here. And I think this is very good because retailing for $65, it's way cheaper than buying a tactical squad and a Rhino separately. So if you're thinking of like getting a tactical squad to fill out those troops choices, or getting a Rhino to protect something, I would recommend getting this because look, Rhino retails for 44.75 Canadian, and then that's about $30 American, like 30 or $35 American, or US dollars. And then we've also got tactical squads somewhere in here. I don't know, but tactical squads retail for about 50 Canadian dollars, which I think is about 40 American dollars or US dollars. Must be further down. Yeah, tactical squad, 50 Canadian dollars. So if we grab our calculator here and we 44.75 plus, where's the plus button? Plus 50. So it's 94, 75. And then how much was the Gauntlet Tactical Squad? $65. So minus $65. It's $29. So I didn't mention this before, but the Gauntlet Tactical Squad comes with, of course, the Tactical Squad, Rhino, and then it also comes with the upgrade sprue, so you can make your troops more Dark Angel-like. And so I think this is useful for any Space Marines, because, like, you could just completely ignore the upgrade sprue if you're thinking of getting a Tactical Squad or a Rhino, and you could just like, because because Ultramarines or Space, there's nothing like it in any other army. They're not selling it for any other army, so that's why this is unique. And yeah, so if you're thinking of getting a troop choice that's protected or mechanized troop choice, then I think you should buy this. Uh, like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a nice day.